back or welcome to Katrina's Prices Home Life and More. I share home decor inspiration, tablescapes, cooking in my Prices kitchen, cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, and so much more. Join me Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And don't forget to follow me on all of my socials. Well, I was minding my business and saw this on Amazon and decided I could use another outdoor indoor cart. So here it is, my Wagon review. So the brand name is Hikemoon. It's a 34-inch extra long collapsible wagon or cart. It can be folded easily. 360-pound heavy duty weight capacity. It is portable. It can be used indoors and outdoors, so it's ideal for beach days, gardening, sports days, grocery shopping, and so much more. So let's take it out the box and put it together. Now listen, I was really struggling because I was trying to film this with my phone in one hand and using my non-dominant hand, so I needed some help. So here comes Mama. Thanks, Mom. A girl was really struggling trying to get this out the box. I love that it's foldable and collapsible, so when it's not in use, it can be easily stored in a closet. That's right. Yeah, I love that feature. It comes with just 4 wheels that you have to put on, and you will see it's so easy to put them on, as well as the handle. 4 wheels, 1 handle, that's it. You're finished in less than 5 minutes. Unless you're trying to film for YouTube and using only one hand. Other than that, it takes no time at all. Well, my wagon, my brand new cart is all put together. Now let's see how much stuff can it really hold. Let's test it out. Oh, you haven't seen me for a while, so I wanted to pop in before the video was over. I have been extremely busy preparing for my church's upcoming conference and community impact day, our charity walk, and also our laundry detergent fundraiser to deliver to the local homeless shelters. My plate has been super full, but I didn't want to leave you out. I didn't want to abandon my Prices family. So just know I'm still here And I'll be back with full schedules, full deep cleaning, home decor, but not until this conference is over. So yeah, just wanted to say, hey, hi, how you doing? Miss you guys. Back to the video. Okay, back to the video. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, it has 2 pockets in the front for water bottles or drinks. As you can see, it does hold a fair amount of supplies. And of course, you know it's in my Amazon storefront. The link is in the bio, description box below. Open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And I purchased it for less than $55. Looking for a wagon? Check it out. Go to the storefront right now. Well, that's all for today. Join me on Thursday, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time for a shopping haul that you don't want to miss. See you then. Oh, yeah, on the way out. Like, comment, subscribe. All the things. Yeah, all of the things. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.